Ayushman Bharat Digital Mission haibashida state ki thakta nongmagi convergence workshop among ase Chingmerong daleba classic grande da pangthokkhre Ayushman Bharat Digital Mission Manipur sinduna pangthokpa workshop aduda National Health Authority Ministry of Health and Family Welfare ki Director Masud or Rahman Farooq, Directorate of Health Services ki Director Dr. Enhancement Family Welfare Director Dr. Ningthausan Bino Singh na Thauramgi Maruiba President Member Singh Wana Saruk Yaki Tharamadagi Matangda Wangang Duna Masud or Rahman Farooq na hai Ayushman Bharat Digital Mission haibagi Ekhoi Mioibagi Oina Maruiba Mission Amani Mission Asigi Manungda Healthcare gi Stakeholder Pumnamak Patient Doctor Hospital Sembo Digital Highway Sigi Mapana Samnahan Mangami, Masigi Mapana Makogi health record, prescription yauna lab report singbo Makogi consent Fonduna digital oina, Menesto Bangami Haraduna, Mission Asigi Matanga Wafam Kia Fondoke.
Capacity building team, the mission team, that we tell them how to make this ABHA number useful for them. There are 11 lakh ABHA numbers, and we have to start telling people that if the hospitals are not right now ABTM enabled and they are going to some places, they can still upload their records, their prescription, their test reports on the app, and then they can digitally save it on the phone, and later on they can share it also with other people whenever it is required.